Hey guys, you are welcome to Real Matter TV. So today we will be talking about the issue of insecurity in Nigeria. Buhari government, under this leadership of the APC, the new appointed chief of staff, recently apologizing to Boko Haram. A country, let's be sincere guys, let's forget English now. Maybe we be sincere now. Nigerian government now, they appeal to terrorists, Boko Haram. No matter what will be their point of view, we make them set the country ablaze. Their point of view might be right, or if you know they right. Apart from that one, as far these people don't take responsibility of many lives, we don't go down for Nigeria. Now, this same government now, when proscribe other people, terrorists, when never kill anybody, this same government when they shout say the certain part of the country must accept open grazing, this same government when they shout say they want scrap NYSC, this same government when they shout say they want put law of hate speech, this same government when they shout say Fulani gather to carry AK-47, this same government now they appeal to terrorists. Okay, now the government now they appeal to terrorists now. What will be the future of Nigeria? What will be the future of upcoming Nigerians? What is the future of Nigeria as a nation, where people who call themselves the government, they appeal to terrorists? Nigerians become immigrants for their own country. They find one name, give them, say they be IDP, internal displaced people. Now Buhari, now they claim they take accolade for 4,000 housing when you go inaugurate for, I don't know, Borno State. Okay, you are more the clap on for using and say you dey build house for Nigerians when they pursue come up from their own village. Oh my God, Nigeria not be the most useless and stupid country in the world. Do you know the poorest country, or let me say the country of low population? That country they call them Holy See, HOLY, then space and XEE, Holy See. They are the smallest country with the lowest population in this planet Earth. I prefer to be a citizen of that country than for me to say I'm a proud Nigerian. Nigeria is a disgrace to humanity. Nigeria is a disgrace. Government appeal to terrorists. They beg terrorists, yeah, I beg. Okay, all the money we don't invest for the defense of the country, all the money we don't invest for all security departments. Now this government are not get what they want to talk. They say now Southeast now be the problem of the country. Southeast where be say now then be the most peaceful place. Now they never ask themselves say why be say this Boko Haram, why be say now only north they bomb. You say Boko Haram know what they do. They know say the Satanas, they are not the problem of that country. Now God then they save we will be the Satanas of the country. Boko Haram now God now they use them. Now then the north now create the Boko Haram, but now them the Boko Haram they bomb, and people will say that this government is doing well. If you are talking about you want to build infrastructure, you want to attract foreign investors, for which country where safety of life know that you want to attract foreign investors? Buhari they talk the other day for an exclusive interview. Buhari they talk now say that the youth now be the problem of the country. How the youth be the problem of the country when you will be father of the country where everybody they look up to? you dey manifest attitude of hooligans, attitude of irresponsibility, attitude of hoodlums. Buhari, you be number one terrorist. The truth has to be said. I said this minister of who call he the minister of communication. I forgot his name. When his name is I forgot that young buffalo name. I say in the happy say Nigeria government banned Twitter. Now Google don't delete your page. Instagram don't block am. You see what goes around come around. Because anything make you don't be public figure, you are a target. You cannot just come out. There must be consequences of every individual action. There must be consequences. You do good though, consequences dey. You do bad though, consequences dey. Imagine shame when this Nigerian Buhari government don't put Nigeria as a nation. They don't care whether you be Yoruba, they don't care whether you be Igbo, they don't care whether you be Hausa, they don't care whether you be Ijaw, they don't care wherever you came from. In the face of the international community, we are all Nigerians. What they are doing there back home is affecting us, we that is living in diaspora. I'm ashamed to even hold a Nigerian passport to say I am a Nigerian, because my passport represents terrorism. My passport represents no value for human life. My passport represents hooligans and irresponsibility. No characteristic of leadership. Nigerian government, they beg terrorists. Nigerian government, they come call terrorists, make they recognize, make they do coalition, make two of them. At least we will get government and terrorists, make them rule the country. Nigerian government, for that matter. For this 21st century, when we do so, when we have technology everywhere, as blessed as Nigeria with natural resources, as all the money we have spent in the defense of our dear nation, at the end, government is apologizing to terrorists, calling them for reconciliation. Oh my God. Nigeria is a shame. If you are out there, you cannot speak out, and you are saying that you are a proud Nigerian because it hasn't arrived your doorstep, you are a shame to humanity. Nigeria is taking lives. Nigeria is a disgrace. A country that apologized to terrorists. The last France attack, when a guy went inside the church and shot 3 people dead. When the French police are coming, they shot him dead straight because of a terrorist attack. Osama bin Laden, that has criminal case, terrorist case, not even criminal, terrorist case. They track him after many years. They track him in Afghanistan and they eliminate him. As great as Nigeria, all the billions of dollars we have been spending into our defense system, what was our gain? What is our gain presently? Apologizing to terrorists. Then people who are agitating for section that they want to go, they proscribe them, they title them terrorists. And you are there calling for one Nigeria, you are stupid. If you are calling for one Nigeria, you are the most stupid human being on this earth. Nigeria we need total disintegration of Nigeria. We need total section. Or if they say that we want to be one Nigerians, we have to practice total agreement to the zero level of federalism, confederation. Everybody has to be in charge of their own nation. Nigeria is a disgrace. I'm ashamed to be a Nigerian. I'm really ashamed to be a Nigerian.